Hello everyone, my name is Nathan Campbell from ASP. Great to be back here at Range Day 2021. Happy to be a part of this again and show off what's new from ASP. So in addition to the batons that you're probably already familiar with, ASP is also known for restraints and flashlights and the training tactics and principles that tie everything together. Still offering, in addition to our friction series of batons, we also have what's called an infinity series of batons. These have an unlimited lifetime warranty on them. They are offered in both the Talon, which is the duty size, and also the Agent, which is a more concealable option, either for down in a pocket, inside a vest, close quarters sort of conditions like that. New for 2021, we are also featuring a new series of handcuffs called the Ultra Plus. What's different about these is instead of using a key to activate the double lock, we use a push button double lock activator. So the key is not needed until it's time to remove the handcuffs. Huge officer safety advantage there, being able to apply those double locks quickly, get yourself out of that danger zone as quickly as possible. Again, great to be back up here for Range Day, and looking forward to bigger and better things in the coming year.